play.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cartoon Fridays.
Cartoon
Fridays. Cartoons Fridays.
Is that it?
No, that is not it.
Watch the hair.
Hello there, everybody. I am Dexter. I am your host for this week's Cartoon Friday. All right. This is my first time hosting, but I am sure it cannot be too difficult. After all, Johnny Bravo hosts all this time, and he has got the brain the size of a peanut. Coming up tonight at 9, we have got a brand new Courage the Cowardly Dog, followed by a brand new episode of our newest cartoon, Sheep in the Big City. How about them apples, huh? But first, here is the cartoon I have selected especially for tonight. Bet you will never guess what it is. And it is all right here